Hey my lovelies, welcome back to your girl channel. In today's video we are working with a company called CURLSQUEEN. We are doing our first install of K-tips and I am so excited. I'm showing you guys everything that came in the packaging. Y'all, they hooked me up. They gave me the iron, which they do sell it on the website. They also gave me a few goodies and they gave me some extra keratin in case I needed to, make a few extra pieces. And they also gave me a bonnet, brush, comb. I'm just loving it, okay? I love gifts, okay? Yes. So I'm going to show you guys how the K-tips came straight out of the packaging. I am using their light Yankee texture. It is 200 milligrams in 20 inches. When I tell y'all this 20 inches is so long, I'm showing y'all how full the hair is from the beginning to the end. They did a big one with this one. Let's get into it.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
All right, now, sister, I'm back. Hey, y'all. So my model today is Maya. Y'all say hey to my girl. We did do a straightening treatment before this install, and we also shampooed and prepped her off camera. She did have a little breakage in the front, which she was worried about that. But once we installed the K-tips, y'all, it was literally not even in sight. So around the time I was in high school, we used to do micro braids, y'all. So this really reminds me of micro braids, low-key. It just don't take as long, like with the braiding down. But you really have to take small pieces that kind of match the K-tip. Not kind of. It has to match the K-tip so you don't have any breakage or anything. This was my first two that I was putting in, so I really was just feeling my way. I did watch a good bit of videos, and Maya was like, girl, you could try it on me. And I'm so excited because, y'all, I needed a model real bad. But I'm so happy I tried it out because, y'all, it ended up turning out so fire. So what I'm doing right now is just lifting it up and moving it around, and I'm asking her if it hurts. She was telling me no. That is very, very, very important because if it hurts, it's going to be really hard to move it around, pull it up, do whatever you need to do. And it can also cause breakage, and we don't want that. So as I was installing this, I kind of wish I would have ordered the little piece that helps keep the hair isolated, which I didn't because the hair would have came out way neater. But this is the back. And here I've installed one of the bundles that you guys seen me promote in the beginning. So once I got to the top, as you can see, it's more finer up there and it's not as much hair as the back. So I did split the K-tips in half to make it kind of customizable for her. I didn't want too much weight on it, like on her strands. So we did it as small as possible, and we also cut all the K-tips in half once we got to this spot. I also did that because I didn't want it to be as bulky because it would have kind of threw off everything. You want it to blend as seamless as possible. Y'all see her making faces? It did hurt a little, but as I was noticing, I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. I was adjusting how, rough I was being. It wasn't intentional, I promise you that. But we are going to continue to do that throughout the remainder of her hair. I'm just continuing to take small pieces and adding it in one by one. I also wanted to fill y'all in. I know I told y'all I did a straightening treatment on her. So we did a straightening treatment, a deep condition, and a press and a trim all off camera. She is actually natural. So I just want y'all to get an idea of how straight we got her hair. It's giving very much silkiana, okay? Very much that. Now that we only have one more row left on this side, I'm just showing y'all how much we were able to fill it in. This hair is so full, y'all, from the beginning to the end. Like, it's doing so good. And at the end of this video, I also got her to send me really good clips of the hair so y'all can see the ending results and how they're lasting up with her. She really loves the hair. She still has it in. She hasn't had any issues. The hair is full, flowy. I just love it. It's super, super, super worth it, okay? No lie told. Now that we're finishing up the last K-tip on this side, you're going to be able to see how full it is. When I tell you, no lie, no lie. I have no reason to lie. They came and did what they needed to do with this one. And it blended so well. Look at the blend. Look at the blend. A moment of silence for that. Like, come on. Let's be so for real right now. It looks amazing, y'all. And we did use a little black spray at the end just to kind of cover, you know, the open areas like at the top. But you really cannot see anything. Like, it looks so good. And I'm happy we were able to customize the pieces in the front. But she wasn't planning on wearing her hair pulled up in like any high ponytails or anything. So we made it as full as possible because she was planning on literally just wearing it like this. So here's the other side, just so y'all can get an idea of how cute it is, how sectioned off it is, how small it is. It's a tedious install, but it's so worth it. And here's the back. Like I said, she did have a little breakage, so we wasn't worrying about doing any pull-up styles. We made it as full as possible. And like I said, the hair is full from the rooter to the tuta. It is full. And here's some of the end result videos that I got from her. Baby, this 20-inch Yaki straight eats. No lies. Look how full it is. This is the back view. Super full. We did use all of the hair. We may have had a few pieces left, but y'all, I'm so in love with the outcome. Thank you so much, Curls Queen, for giving me this opportunity to work with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything about this hair linked below. And when you are ordering, make sure you use code ASJY to get money off of your K-tips. Y'all, make sure y'all tune into the next video. I love y'all so much. See you soon. Mwah.